You see, inside total body is called Sika 2008. Too dirty inside the total body. The truck inside the inlet manifold very dirty. So I must use take off to TBS sensor. Total body clean. Clean properly. You see it. The seal too. The seal you must take off and clean properly. Put in. Okay. The seal here. Very important. The seal. You must clean properly. Put in. Make a flush and no problem. I check the seal. Not hard. Okay, still good. You see, the air here, the air pump here, now the coolant, the whole coolant. You don't need to take off everything. You know, make problem. Take the hose for the coolant. Here, there are two holes, one in, one out. You see, they go like that. You clean up, put in. Okay. Leave drying, and the one. You must clean the mask. You know, mask sensor, mask air mask sensor, they make it properly. You know, very dirty. Make the car run no good, it's rough. When you're loading, you go high speed and very hard and start in the morning, you know. Yep.